Next topic beta, living being respired to get energy. Okay, so we can't live without breathing. If you try to close your nose with your finger for a while, for a short time, are you comfortable? No beta, you are not comfortable. Okay, when your nose is open, you inhale or take in air, and also exhale or throw out the air. So what is that process name? The process of inhaling or exhaling is called breathing. During breathing, what happen? Oxygen you take inside your body, and you leave carbon dioxide with nitrogen and a little amount of unused oxygen and water vapor from your body. So this type of breathing is called external respiration. So what is the function of that breathing? Breathing help in the movement of gases from outside to inside our body and from the body to outside environment. So breathing is fast when you are running, jumping, or doing any other exercise, because that time your energy requirement is more. All living beings need energy for their activities. That energy come from the food. So what happened to that food? That food is combined with the oxygen which you take through breathing, and help in breakdown of food, and that process is called respiration. The process of producing energy from the food due to the reaction with oxygen is called respiration. Next thing beta, living organism breathe in oxygen from the air during respiration, and carbon dioxide and water vapor they release from their body. But animal which live in water, such type of organism breathe with the oxygen which dissolve in water. So they also breathe fast because they take oxygen in dissolved form. And what they use, which respiratory organ they use gills for breathing. And when in water, frog breathe in oxygen dissolve in water. When the frog is in water, that time it breathe with the help of dissolved oxygen in water. But when is on land, that time it breathe through its lungs, but in water with the help of skin. Next feature beta, living being excrete body waste. So every living organ, whether plant or animal, excrete their body waste from their body because it's poisonous for their body. So that process by which a living organism remove its body waste from their body is called excretion. But in case of plants, we use a term secretion. The process of removal of waste in plant is called secretion. So living being excrete the body waste. If any organism eat food, the waste will produce. So during digestion, respiration, some waste are produced in their body. These waste are thrown out of body in the form of urine, sweat, exhaled air or fecal matter. So that process of removal of that waste from their body is called excretion. Plant excrete water vapor and carbon dioxide through small pores in their leaves that are called stomatas. And another plants like rubber plant, calotropis plant, they release a white color sticky fluid from their body. Okay, as showing in here in figure, that is called latex. Latex is a source of natural rubber also. Another plant like acacia secrete brown sticky substance called gum.